Hi, I have audited a lot of sites, and one of the more common mistakes I come across is the misuse and mistaken use of canonical tags. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you the three most common mistakes I see in regards to canonical tags. These mistakes can cause serious indexing issues as well as can harm internal linking structure. Before diving, let's take a quick glimpse on what are canonical tags. Canonical tags, also known as rel equal canonical, are HTML tags that are used to address duplicate content issues on a website. These tags are also added to head section of HTML code of a web page to indicate the original version of a page when duplicate content exists on multiple pages. So the canonical tag is used to tell search engines which URL is preferred version of a web page when there are multiple versions available. Mistake 1, adding canonical tag to a page in a paginated series that point back to the first page. So this is completely incorrect usage of canonical tag and all of the pages have unique content. So this will also result in all content on page 2 and beyond not being indexed at all by Google. When Google won't index those pages, Google even won't follow the internal linkings on paginated pages pointing to posts or products. And this will additionally cause some serious indexing issues as well as diluting the overall internal linking structure of the site. Mistake 2. Absolute URLs are mistakenly written as relative URLs. I've found a lot of developers and SEOs are not aware of this issue. When https domain.com is missing from a link tag, it is assumed, for example, link rel equal canonical href domain.com slash blog slash SEO versus link rel equal canonical href https domain.com slash blog slash SEO or link rel equal canonical href blog slash SEO. In the first one, it is implied that the desired canonical is actually https domain.com slash blog slash SEO. The other two correctly identify the proper URL with either an absolute or relative URL. Mistake 3. Multiple rel canonical tags on a single page. It happens with a lot of SEO plugins creating additional tags. So the problem associated with having multiple canonical tags on a single page is actually you cannot be sure which one Google recognizes as the preferred tag.